How do I apply for FMLA leave during a personal crisis? If you're facing a personal crisis and wondering how to get time off from work, understanding the Family and Medical Leave Act can really help. This law allows eligible employees to take unpaid leave for serious health issues or family emergencies. First, you need to check if you qualify. You must have worked for your employer for at least 12 months and clocked at least 1,250 hours in the past year. The crisis must involve a serious health condition affecting you or a family member, or involve urgent military family matters. Once you know you're eligible, the next step is to notify your employer. It's best to give notice as soon as possible. If your leave is planned, like for a medical appointment, give at least 30 days notice. If it's an emergency, inform your employer right away, even if it's just a phone call or email. Your notice should include the reason for leave and how long you expect to be away, but you don't need to mention FMLA specifically. Just make sure your employer understands the reason qualifies under the law. Your employer will then give you the necessary forms to fill out. These forms ask for basic information about you and the reason for your leave. You might also need to get a medical certification from a healthcare provider. This certification should explain the nature of the health issue, why you need time off, and how long you expect to be away. It's usually required within 15 calendar days after your employer requests it. Once you submit the forms and medical certification, your employer has 5 business days to tell you if your leave is approved and how much time you can take. If approved, your job is protected for up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave within a rolling 12-month period. During this time, your health benefits continue as if you were still working. You may also be able to use accrued paid leave, like sick leave or vacation, to cover some or all of your FMLA leave, depending on your employer's policies. When your leave ends, your employer must return you to your original or an equivalent position with the same pay and benefits. It's important to remember that employers cannot interfere with your FMLA rights, retaliate against you for requesting leave, or discriminate because you used FMLA leave. If you believe your rights have been violated, you can file a complaint with the Department of Labor or pursue other legal options. In summary, applying for FMLA leave during a personal crisis involves giving timely notice, completing the required forms, providing medical certification, and understanding your rights to job protection and continued health benefits. Employers are legally obligated to respond promptly and uphold your rights throughout the process.